So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view trending stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device, what I want you to do is to actually go to the bottom and press on the discovery button or the magnifying glass icon where it says discover. Simply just press on that. And while you're on the discovery screen, make sure that at the top here, if you're looking for trending stock specifically, that equity is highlighted. So for example, if it says crypto, you don't want that. You want to slide this bar to the left and press on equity, and right below where it says trending and movers, you can go ahead and see trending equities. Also too, if you want to change the market where it says US at the top left here, you can change that to trending stocks on the European market as well as the Asia market. But for this demonstration, how about we just stick with the US market? And if you were to press on trending equities here, you can now explore the equities, which have seen a recent spike and the number of users viewing them. So you can scroll down. There's 30 symbols, so there's all these stocks right here. You can sort of view it for your own. Pretty straightforward, but that is how you guys can view trending stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.